Hello everyone. So let's first of all understand the concept of cloud computing, what exactly cloud computing is. But before that, I want you to understand the concept of data center first, what exactly the data center is. So since you know data center is something where we keep and maintain our data, right? So data center will look like this. You'll be having some stack of servers, right? Now earlier, before cloud computing, actually, organization need to buy this physical servers and whatever other infrastructure through procurement process, right? That might can take months, and they also need to support it, right? Now, these physical servers actually also requires a physical space, a typically a specialized room, right, with some sufficient power and cooling. That is actually called as a data center. Also organization needed expert personals as well to manage them, right? Now this process was quite difficult. Let's say we have got our demand is increases, right? We might need to get some more servers, so it was very difficult for an organization to scale when the demand spikes or business expands. Now here comes your cloud computing. So cloud computing is actually the delivery of computing services. What exactly the computing services? It could be your servers, networking, storage, whatever you need over the internet. So you can have flexible resources. Flexibility is there, right? So you can understand cloud computing in a very layman language that it is the on-demand availability of computing resources like your networking, storage, right, over the internet. So it eliminates the need for an organization to self manage those physical data center. They do not need to manage that data center by themselves. They just need to go to the there is actually for every cloud provider there are some portals are there where they can go to the portal and actually can create their resources, and they only need to pay what they use. Understand it like, let's say you have rented a house, right? You pay for your electricity bill, you pay your rent, right? Their way you are actually you're on the pay as you go model. So we have got different cloud providers are there, like Microsoft Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud, and we have got different cloud providers are there in the market as well, right? So this course is primarily focused on Microsoft Azure because this is AZ-900 course. We'll be talking about Microsoft Azure. So you can understand on Microsoft Azure will basically give you a portal that is also called as portal.azure.com. That's actually that link can be accessed over any browser, right? Where you can say, let's say you might want to create any virtual machine, you can go to their portal and actually can pay for it. You will say that I want to pay for it and I'm going to use it. So that model is actually called as pay as you go model, right? So we have got different cloud providers are there, that what we talked about. I hope it is clear why actually we shifted from the data center and now why we are moving towards this cloud computing part. Thank you everyone.